The next tool I got for you is in the toolbox. It is the CASEVAC tool. If you click on it and you press whatever location for a CASEVAC pickup point, you can drop the CASEVAC icon, and right here it will help you build a CASEVAC 9 line, including your location, your frequency, all the stuff here. If you don't know how to use a 9 line, I'm not going to teach you, but be aware that you can build 9 lines in ATAK. Pretty sweet if you ask me. When you're done making the CASEVAC, you can either send this CASEVAC to somebody else, like say whoever wants to receive your CASEVAC is on ATAK, you can send it to them. Alternatively, if the other person is on some sort of voice communication system that I'm not going to specify, you can click on this, and this will give you your 9 line. So you just kind of read off this list over whatever your communications system is, and you can communicate your 9 line to whoever needs to hear it. Pretty cool tool.